So this is what we call a difference of squares. All right. Now, what that means is I can tell you what the answer is off the top of my head. I don't have to do all this math. It's basically going to be 5x plus 12 times the quantity 5x minus 12. The difference of squares is this. If I have a plus b times a minus b, then that is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay? And we did that the other day. So I look at this and I say, well, what's the square root of this? What's the square root of this? Well, the square root of 25x squared is just 5, right? 5 times 5 is 25, and x times x is x squared. And then the square root of 144 is 12. Now, if I want to verify this, I can just multiply it out, right? So I'm going to say I think it's 5x plus 12 times the quantity 5x minus 12. 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times 12, what's 5 times 12? Positive 60. Positive 60x, what's 5 times negative 12? Negative 60x, right? And then 12 times 12 is, of course, 144. 60x minus 60x, see how those cancel? So then I'm left with 25x squared minus 144. So difference of squares is kind of once you memorize that special pattern, this right here, it makes it really easy, especially on a test like the SAT, to just kind of really do a problem quickly. Are there any questions on that?